Good afternoon. My name is Rick Rolston. I'm the CEO of BuiltSpace Technologies from here in Vancouver. Today I want to talk about how we're going to transition from BIM to high-performance facilities management. So when we talk about the life cycle of building information management, we see that our industry has been designing for performance with BIM, but as soon as we talk turnover, we're into how do we operate those buildings, those same buildings, on a budget. And what we find is that handover is often a disaster. So when we talk about high-performance facilities management, we really are talking about how do we manage our buildings more sustainably. And to do that, we have to really talk about the building, not about how we account for the time spent in the building to maintain it. We have to talk about collaboration. We have to be integrated and holistic in our approach. We have to have information available when and where we need it in a mobile platform with smart devices. And most importantly, we really need to talk about how we can make our workflow more efficient. And really what we're trying to do is connect people, process, and place. So here's an example of how we connect people, process, and place. These folks are fixing some equipment, a rooftop unit, on a roof, and they have little information available to them. What we're trying to do is give them access via mobile technology to the service history of this unit, to the user manuals, troubleshooting guides, documentation, and so forth, to make their job easier and more efficient. So how does this relate to BIM? We're doing a joint research project at UBC in the Center for Interactive Research and Sustainability to integrate bidirectionally both BIM into Revit and Revit into BIM. So what we would like to see in the very near future is the ability to walk through a virtual BIM and be able to access the actual service records and operational information that's coming through BuiltSpace. Likewise, from a BuiltSpace perspective, we want to be able to access the data in BIM for the location and the equipment that we're currently working on. So finally, what's next? And I think this is the technology that is allowing us to do BuiltSpace is really allowing us to create the service internet. So today we've talked about we're talking about the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is something that has to be maintained, and our approach is to provide that collaborative facility that allows us to maintain the Internet of Things across a very large portfolio of buildings, very simply, involving all of the different stakeholders in the game.